Dear students, today we are entering in a new chapter, which is data structures. As our tradition stipulates, the first video is always to elaborate what we are going to learn throughout the chapter. In the beginning, we are going to introduce data types. That will be our first lesson, introduction to data types, where we shall see the primitive data type, that is the basic data type that we use in constructing other data types. From there, we shall move on to compound data types, where we shall see records, we shall see pointers. And after doing that, still under records, we are going to see how to calculate the size of a particular record based on the different basic data type it contains. From there, we are going to enter inside data structures. Inside data structure, we are going to realize that there are two types. The linear data structures, under which we are going to see the static data structure. Especially, we are going to focus on arrays. So we shall see one-dimensional array and two-dimensional arrays. From there, we are going to enter inside the dynamic data structures, where we shall see the linked list. Under the linked list, we shall see that there are three of them. That is the single linked list, the double linked list, and the circular linked list. From there, we are going to enter inside queues. A queue, before entering queues, we are going to give a brief overview of what we call abstract data type, because a queue is an abstract data type. From there, we are going to see that abstract data type, like queues, we need to know the different operations that can be performed on them, how they manipulate data, and some of the applications. From queues, we shall move to stacks. Just as a queue, it is another abstract data type. So we are going to see the different operation on it, how it manages data, and the different application. And here we realize that I added application specifically to tell you that the application of a stack are very important, because we are going to see the different notations that we have. We shall see that we have three different types of notation: the infix, the prefix, and the postfix. And we shall see how to move from one to the other, and most of them are done using a stack. That's why you see this one is stack and application. From there, we are going to enter inside the non-linear data structures, where we shall see trees. We shall see under trees, you are going to see how the different types of trees. You are going to see binary trees. You are going to see binary search trees. Under binary search tree, we shall see how to build a binary search tree. We shall see how to traverse a binary search tree, and we shall see some of the application of these different traversals. Also, we are going to enter inside the applications of a tree. From there, we are going to see how from the expression from an expression tree we can derive the postfix and the prefix expression using traversal. Very important. We are also going to move from trees. We are going to enter inside hash tables, which is another type of nonlinear data structure. We are going to see how a hash table stores its data and how it manages its data. And from there, we are just going to have a brief overview. We are not going to enter in detail, just a brief overview about graphs. From there now, we are going to see the different problems and appropriate data types or data structure to use, because it is very important. That is why we study this data structure as a chapter on its own, because it is very important to know that if I have this problem to solve, the algorithm, the perfect algorithm to use should make use of this particular data structure. So we are going to have a lesson only on the different problems. When I talk of different problems, I'm talking about the most recurrent problems we have in computing. Like when we talk of problem, we are talking about the way data has to be managed, the way data has to be accessed, and the way data has to be stored. And based on these different ways, we are going to see which data type is most appropriate, which data type or which data structure is appropriate to use. And after that, as our tradition specifies, we are going to have some questions and solving. So, dear students, this is the elaboration of the chapter data structures. Welcome to this new chapter. Kick off with me together, and do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share for your students, for your classmates, or your students, for the teachers who are following our channel, to increase our community. Thank you very much, and see you in video 1, Introduction to Data Types. Thank you very much.